watching Makayla's Playground, and today we're doing the alphabet scavenger hunt.
So mommy put these clues together, and this is our first this is our first scavenger hunt in this style where we're going in alphabetical order. So each clue has the next clue for the next letter of the alphabet. Right?
Is there clues around the house?
When you find the A has the clue for the letter B. And the B has the clue for the letter C.
Okay, so it's shiny and red and grows on a tree. Eating one a day will keep you healthy.
Good job. So what do you think that is that begins with an A?
A tomato?
An A?
No, an apple! So let's go find the A.
Let's go find the A.
Okay, let's go.
But you have to go a little bit slower. Okay.
I found it!
Okay. Hold on. Okay.
There's the next clue.
Okay, so.
It's cozy and comfy, but can only jump on it if you're a monkey.
What starts with B? Let's go see.
Oh!
A bed.
A bed!
Okay, now get your B clue. Give me the A. Okay.
So,
what's your next clue for now to find the letter C?
Wait, using your imagination, it's colorful and fun.
You have to sit and enjoy and cannot run. What do you do with the letter C that you have to sit still and use your imagination?
It's crayons. Let's see. Is it crayons?
Coloring.
Coloring. Okay.
Okay, read your next clue.
So you open it up when you heard a knock. Usually Amazon with the box.
What do you open up when there's a knock on the door?
Door! Let's see. Door! Okay, our next clue. What is our clue? They are oval and white. You can
also
crack them. Their mamas keep them warm. Her name is Hen.
What does the mommy sit on to keep it nice and warm?
An egg! An egg!
Okay, check the refrigerator.
Wait, okay. What is in the refrigerator? Egg! Ooh, this is actually cool.
Okay, what's your next clue?
It's slimy green and just up high. It also swims and like to eat flies. I know, frog!
Okay.
Oh, your favorite fruit to eat at your grandma and grandpa's house, but if you grow them in your garden, they will be eaten by a mouse. I know, it's great. These are really squishy grapes.
Yeah.
So,
what? So this is a clue for H.
You wear this outside in the sun. Your favorite is the white
Shopkins.
Shopkins one.
Do you know what it is?
I know.
What?
I can get it.
You got it?
Got it. There.
Okay.
So
H. What's after H?
This is your favorite dessert to eat and sell It has wheels and signs and even
A bell.
a bell. Ice cream! Food cards! You never forget cream. Ice cream. Alfred J.
It's a sugary drink.
It's a sugary drink you will not
taste.
We usually don't buy any because it will go to waste.
Good job. So what is
Juice!
Good job.
Juice! Well, this is actually really cool too.
Okay.
So, can you read it? Because I don't know how to read it.
It's, oh, because you're busy doing cartwheels. Okay. It's cute and cuddly and has a pouch. The tail is in the way of sitting on the couch. What's cute and cuddly and has a pouch?
Kangaroo!
Okay, where do we have our kangaroo? Let's check in here.
Let's check. Right here?
Check in the garage. See if you could find the K. But don't look at anything else.
Ah! What did you do?
Okay, come on, let's go inside.
What did you just do? Yes!
Okay, what's the K clue?
Mommy makes her shelf with this vegetable that's green. She chops it up so she can eat healthy.
What does Mom always eat?
Lunch.
No, but what kind of lunch? What's a green vegetable that Mommy has in her food a lot?
Lettuce.
Good job.
Let's see. Where's the L? Where's the L?
Where do we put the lettuce?
And the fridge?
You check the fridge. Look in the drawers.
Oh, this is actually cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see. Oh,
Huh.
you just got this to buy somebody you like. You can't wait to go and get your bike.
What did you get to buy your bike? What did Grandma and Grandpa give you?
Money!
Yeah, can you find it?
Yeah?
Look around.
Where did it go?
I don't know. I'll give you a clue.
Where?
I'm really hot. You're really cold.
I'm really hot too. Ah!
Okay, leave the money. Leave the money.
Let me see. It's a shake that
It's a snack that you
Wait.
like.
it's a snack that you like to eat. It's yellow, crunchy, and not too sweet.
What starts with the letter N? Check your snacks.
Noodles.
No.
Vanilla wafers.
Yeah. Okay.
You love to eat this something you want to. They are healthy and sweet, but also good for you. Ooh! I know oranges.
Good job.
P.
Okay, let's look for the P.
This is where you lay your head. It's comfortable and cozy on your bed.
Where do
I know what it is.
what starts with the P?
Pillow.
Hold on, wait for Mom. Okay. Hey, don't be looking around. Okay.
I fainted.
You fainted. Okay, come on.
This is someone who wears a crown. She rules the kingdom, so don't make her frown. Oh my
What's that? What do you think?
Queen!
The Peppa Queens?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Can you read this?
Okay. So you can do a cartwheel. Okay. It's a cute animal that likes to jump around. It has the cutest little cottontail, fluffy and round.
Rabbit!
Yes. Okay, next clue. Oh, careful.
Okay. Whoa, the bunny. Okay, we'll play that. This is what you love to ride around, but where do
This is what you love to ride around, but wear a helmet.
Wear a helmet.
In case
You fall on the ground. I know, a scooter.
Wait for Mom. Okay. No, hey.
It's the toy you got for Christmas with orange and black stripes. When you
Talk
to him or pet it, it moves and
blinks.
blinks his eyes.
What'd you get for Christmas? That's orange and black. And it blinks its eyes.
Tiger!
You're a tiger. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Okay. Read your clue.
We use this a lot for a few weeks. They protect us from getting wet in the rain. Umbrella.
I don't know.
Never got the umbrella. Oh. You have many toys of these healthy foods, but will only try the real ones when you're in the mood. What? Healthy?
You have many toys of these healthy foods, but will only try the real ones when you're in the mood. What do we always try to get you to eat, but you play with them instead? Starts with a V. Violin! Huh? You passed right by it. Your vegetable toys.
Here you go.
Okay.
Wait, there's another clue. Wait.
I know, we have to finish the alphabet.
It has wheels and it's colorful and is red. You ride in it when it should be your dolls inside.
Instead. What do you always write in? It's not for you, it's for your dolls.
A wagon?
I don't know.
Where is it? Oh,
You're just trying to ride your scooter. Come on. Come on, let's go inside. Come on.
Can you read?
An instrument that babies love to play. Its rainbow colors make for a beautiful day. Starts with X.
I know it's dinosaur!
Okay, get your next clue.
You love to eat this every morning. It's white, something you have this for your snacks and night.
What starts with the Y?
Yogurt!
Can you reach it? Oh, here, I'll get it. Oh, you got it? Okay.
Can you read it?
Okay. It's black and white and beautiful, of course. And without its stripes, it would look like a horse. It starts with the Z.
Zebra!
Okay, the last clue.
Oh my
You
god.
found all the letters. Read your last clue.
Oh.
You read this one.
It says, now that you finish your scavenger hunt, you have small surprise waiting out front. Ah! Let's go! Never get me! You never get me! You never get me!
Let me do the chain. Okay.
Ah! Oh my god!
Hold on. Show us what it is. Oh, you love those, huh? Okay.
Let's play. Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another scavenger hunt, Makayla touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button. Bye. Thank you. Let's stay up with you.
You're so out of breath. That was a lot of running, huh?